Hello friends, my name is Shreekant Thakare. I am going to teach you information technology. In this video, we are going to discuss about second unit of information technology of class 10th, web application basics. In the first session of this unit, we are discuss about the accessibility options. So, what is accessibility technology and accessibility options? When the combination of the hardware and software are enabled to physically challenge people to use the computer, this technology is called as accessibility technology. There are many options provided in Windows operating system for physically challenged people to easier access of the computer. These options are called as accessibility options. In this video, we are discuss about the options provided in Windows operating system only. There are so many operating systems that used by the various computer users. They are Windows, Android, iOS, Mac and Linux and so many. Various operating systems provide various accessibility options. They are depend on the operating system. So let's start. For accessibility setting, we need to click on control panel. For access the control panel, there are various methods depend on the version of Windows. In this computer, we use the Windows 10. So the control panel shortcut is provided on the desktop. We directly click on the desktop shortcut and access to the control panel. So this is the control panel of your computer. In Windows 7 operating system, you can access control panel by Start, Program and Control Panel. Or if you directly search in this search box control panel and you can get the control panel on your screen. In control panel, we click on ease of access. In ease of access, we click on ease of access center. So this is ease of access center. All setting we can do from here. First setting is make keyboard easier to use. Sometimes some user they cannot use the mouse properly because of some physical disability, or some user want to increase the speed without using the mouse, or sometimes some user they don't have the mouse, they use only keyboard. In that case, we can use keyboard as a mouse. For that, we need some settings, that is make keyboard easier to use. The first option is mouse keys. If you want to use your keyboard as a mouse, then you can use this option. Just click on the turn on mouse keys, then set up mouse keys, turn on mouse keys. Okay, all setting remains as it is. Just read one thing here. If you want to use mouse keys, then you use the keyboard shortcut left alter, left shift and numlock. So what is left alter, left shift and numlock? So this is the design of our keyboard. This key is the left alter, this key is the left shift and this key is the numlock. We press 3 keys at a time and we can use the mouse keys. Okay, so all setting remains as it is. Then you click on the apply. If you don't click apply and close the windows, then setting will not save. So click on apply and OK. Then close this window. This is our keyboard. We want to use the mouse keys. So first, which are the mouse keys? These are the mouse keys. 8, 4, 2 and 6. 8 we use for up the cursor, 2 for down the cursor, 4 for shift the cursor to left side and 6 for shift the cursor or pointer of mouse to the right side. Okay. Now Click Alt, Shift and Nimlock. Okay, we press Alt, Shift and Nimlock, and then this pop-up is appear on the screen. We say yes. Now we don't want mouse for control this. We don't want mouse. We can operate the mouse pointer by the use of keyboard. Just observe the keyboard and observe the cursor. If we use the mouse keys with control, then the speed of cursor is increased. And if we use the mouse keys with shift, then the speed of cursor is slow down. Okay, we use the mouse keys, and for clicking we click on the enter. So now we understand what is the use of mouse keys. Then let's turn it off because we don't need it. Then sticky keys. So what is sticky keys? If a computer user cannot press the two keys at a time, at that time, if he want to use a Control plus A or Control plus X or maybe Shift plus Delete, in that case he can use a sticky keys option. If we turn on the sticky keys, then we don't need to press two keys at a time. Let's see how it's work. Turn on sticky keys, apply, OK. Okay, now for generally undo the things we use Control plus Z, but now we sometime earlier we discussed if some person cannot press two keys at a time, in that case we use a sticky keys. We on the sticky keys option, so Control plus Z. Look, this is the in that way we can use the sticky key option. We don't need to press Ctrl and Z at a time. Okay. Then toggle keys. So what is toggle key? If the person who is not able to see properly and he can't understand the caps lock is on or off, or numlock is on or off. In that case, if someone press the caps lock, then the sound, the beep sound come from the computer. So let's see how it's work. If I press the caps lock, the beep sound so this is the use of toggle keys. Now third one is the filter keys. So let's see how it's work. Turn on filter keys, apply, OK. Actually for filter keys actually used for slow down the speed of keyboard. Now look how it's work. If I press H then nothing type on the screen. But if I press down the edge, then it will be type. Okay, this is the use of filter keys. So after the keyboard easier to use option, we going to learn about the use mouse easier to use. In this option we can do setting for mouse. Then first option is for mouse. First option is for mouse pointer. We can choose mouse options, mouse pointer as per our choice. This is the regular white, that is by default setting. We can use the larger in white color pointer. Apply. See here the size of mouse is increased. Then extra large. Then again the size of mouse pointer is increased. Okay, we can choose the color of pointer as the black or maybe this type. Okay, setting of mouse keys we already discussed. Now let's see the next option, that make computer easier to see. If the computer user cannot see properly or maybe color blind or low vision etc., in that case he can use this option, make computer easier to see. So let's see how this option is work. Make computer easier to see. Now first one is turn on narrator and turn on audio description. If we on this option,
starting narrator dialog, OK, button, Alt plus O, heads up. Narrator keyboard changes. We've updated the narrator keyboard layout so it more closely matches the experience you may have had with other screen readers. If you want narrator to tell you what commands are associated with the keys you're pressing, you can turn on input.
So we just see how the narrator options work. If you can't able to see the screen, then the computer tell you what is on the screen. This is called the narrator option. This option most useful for blind or partially blind computer user.
Make the compute check turn on audio description checkbox, Alt plus I, unchecked. Apply, cancel, button, OK, button, unchecked. Always scan this section checkbox, Alt plus O, tooltip, start on screen keyboard. Make the computer easier to see, check turn on or off high contrast when left. Alt plus left shift plus print screen is pressed checkbox. Alt, uncheck make a sound when turning a setting on or off checkbox, Alt plus M. Apply, but cancel, OK, but unchecked. Always scan this section checkbox, Alt plus O, tooltip, start on narrator settings window, to navigate the exiting narrator.
Now, after navigator, we use the magnifier option. Turn on magnifier, apply. Okay, now our magnifier is on. Now the full screen is magnified. You can choose the other option, that lens. In the lens, if we select the lens option, then the some portion of the computer screen will be magnified. Okay, and in dock we can see the magnify section above the window. So this is the magnifier option. That option is also used for partially blind computer user. So let's revise what we learn from today's lecture. We learn about the ease of access center options. We learn about ease of access, mouse keys, sticky keys, toggle keys, filter keys, audio description and magnifier. These all options we cover in today's lecture. Let's revise one time how to access the access center, control panel and ease of access center. Here we do all our settings. Okay. I hope you understand today's topic. Please subscribe our channel and stay tuned, stay happy, stay safe.